Uploading the chart of accounts is as easy as importing via the Excel button on the chart of accounts form. However, before you upload the chart of accounts, you will need to set the length of the first segment of the account segmented key. A segmented key is a system entity that you use to define the structure of identifiers for a certain type of object. The segmented key then serves as a template when a user creates an identifier for a new object of the type. During initial system setup, you will define the number of segments the key has, the length of each segment, the type of each segment, and the list of values for each segment. Acumatica ERP comes with a default for the account segmented key ID. To access this form, go to Configuration, Common Settings, and then Segmented Keys. Select the Account Segmented Key ID. From this form, you can allow for on-the-fly entry, specify in which module it will be used, and add an optional numbering sequence that is used for the segment that has the auto-numbering option selected. Below, you will find the description of the segmented key. In the table, you can change the segmented ID settings. We can alter the length and whether it will align left or right in the field. Next, we can decide which symbols we would like to accept as part of the segment. You also have the option of managing how the accounts will be added as automatically uppercase, lowercase, or not changed from the initial data entry. Consult the segmented key user documentation to consider auto-numbering and the use of a segment separator. For now, you can leave these blank. Hit Save and return to the Chart of Accounts form to upload the chart. Now that the account segmented key is correctly defined, click the Load Records from File and select the location of your saved Chart of Accounts Excel file that was prepared for import to Acumatica ERP. You can leave the null value empty and click OK. In the Columns window, make sure the columns are mapped to the account parameters as shown here. Click OK to upload the records, and then click Save to save them to the database. Your chart of accounts are now uploaded. However, Acumatica ERP requires that you add 2 more accounts. In our next video, we will add the year-to-date net income and retained earnings accounts.